Welcome back to Girl Talk. This is our final segment. We've been filming today at Radiance Skin Therapy on the Beltline off of Todd Drive. And we know that when it comes to aging, you cannot stop the hands of time, but you can slow them down. And our next guest is the gal with the know-how. This is Ann Pienka. She's the owner and a registered nurse of Radiance Skin Therapy. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks.
Our favorite topic is always how to look better, feel better, look younger. And so let's talk about a new service you have here. It's called Aqua Gold Microchanneling. What is that?
Yes. It's kind of the latest and greatest. Well, there's a lot of latest and greatest in our industry. Every day there's one, but it's kind of the latest and greatest. It's a patented, gold-plated, hair-fine little microneedles that have a hole at the end of them. Okay. And so we can deliver certain solutions into the skin.
And that's actually what you're holding in your hand.
Yes.
So it's tiny.
Little tiny. Right. This is the container where we would put the ingredients of our choice after talking with you and what you want to accomplish. And then it's hard to see, but right within there are these hair fine little needles, and as you push down on that, it can deliver the solution into the skin.
And the solution is in the glass bottle below.
Exactly.
So you can be very precise,
Mm-hmm.
it sounds like, of where you want to deliver the goods.
Absolutely, absolutely.
That's really incredible. The technology is always just so mind-boggling to me because you're now able to deliver something below the surface, which obviously at home when we're using products, it's all very topical, surface level. So now we're able to kind of go into the skin with your help, of course. So who is using this service? I know it's brand new, but who is it for folks watching?
Well, it's for a lot of people. When we put the different ingredients in, it can very much help pore size, so shrink pores. It can help smooth and hydrate the upper part of the skin. It can help superficial scarring. And I think for us right now, when people are hearing about it, a lot of our clients right now, for whatever reason, I guess it's wedding season, but they're all getting ready for these weddings. And when we do this, a couple weeks before an event, the skin just looks amazing.
Yeah.
Isn't it kind of like, I was picking Katie's brain about this product or service rather, and she was explaining that it kind of like gives you like just a like healthier, hydrated, more well-rested look. So if you have an event, you know, sort of a few weeks beforehand, like you said, it's an opportunity to kind of give yourself a little boost and a little well-rested look.
And this can be face, neck, and chest, right?
Yeah, and we've actually done, we have a client who doesn't like her arms, and so we've actually done it on body parts too, and have seen some nice results with that as well.
So this all sounds wonderful, but are you going to be out of commission for like 4 or 5 days?
That's why you need to do it 2 weeks in advance?
Right.
No.
Believe it or not, now we're talking about the face right now, face and neck. Face and neck skin, it just heals so fast.
Sure.
And this is a little bit different than our regular microneedling. Our microneedling is going to be deeper, so the skin has a little bit more time to heal, but still, that's only like 24 hours.
Oh.
This,
wow.
Okay, this one, after the procedure, you're pink, and within a couple hours, you notice nothing.
Really?
Yeah, it is amazing.
So you
it's
literally
no downtime.
come over on your lunch break and be back to work.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I've heard because these needles are like smaller than a human hair that it's essentially painless.
Yeah.
Maybe a little discomfort.
Little discomfort. A lot of our clients don't need any numbing or anything like that. I will say personally, I've had it done around the eye area and around the mouth area. And so those are areas that people don't like because we've got fine lines and some crepiness.
Too.
Yeah. So, I mean, you're going to feel a little bit there. Those are more tender areas, but most people don't need numbing at all. And if you want a little numbing, you can have that as well. So regardless, it's going to be comfortable for you.
So let's recap. If you do have a special event coming, like you mentioned, the weddings, what do you advise timeline to have the procedure done?
Well, you know, a couple weeks is probably optimal, but even a week before could be fine. And, you know, the results are there for even up to 4 months. So it's not like, you can't get it a month ahead or 6 weeks ahead. But we kind of feel like in those first couple weeks that the skin just starts to radiate and glow and just look so hydrated.
Right.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
So if someone at home was interested in doing this, asking for a friend, how much would it cost?
So it depends again. This little device has a cost to it, but then it depends on also what we're putting in it.
Yeah.
And so all of that can vary a little bit, but you're probably looking at anywhere between $400 and $600.
Super
that's
affordable.
not, I guess, as bad
Were
as
you
I
thinking
thought.
about several months? Would you say like up to 4 months, or depending on the person probably,
Right.
of having a more hydrated, well-rested look, and probably some long-term benefits to the skin as well. I mean, that's really affordable.
Right.
And this particular device is kind of a one-time use, which is nice. That keeps the procedure very sterile, I would
Yes.
imagine, right?
Yep,
It's
because
not-
we just put the product in. I'm using this to show you, but nobody touches this.
Yeah.
There's gloves, so it's a very sterile, clean, I should
Right.
say, procedure.
And it's not going from patient to patient.
Right, right.
No, it's a one-time use.
So if somebody wants to try this out and they're thinking they could benefit from it, how do you set up an appointment?
Again, asking for a friend.
Exactly. So of course they can call us 240-0088, or they can go online to our website and request an appointment online for radianceSkinTherapy.com.
And you do consultations.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. That's part of this, because we've got to come up with what exactly is the right thing to place in this.
Sure.
Again, there's so many different things that are very safe and effective in the skin. We have to be careful because not everything belongs in the skin, but the things that we have here are very safe and effective
Right.
for it.
You guys are just so knowledgeable. Truly, truly. Be sure to check them out. And thanks so much for having us today.
Thanks.
And thank you to all of our guests. You can find us next time only on Girl Talk on Wisconsin's 57 Television.